Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rundown number 4. In today's episode, I'm comparing the GoPro Hero 6 and the original GoPro. Now I know this isn't a true comparison as there's clearly years and years of technological advancement in between these two cameras here, but it's just interesting to see how far GoPro have come from the original GoPro Hero 1. We filmed in 1080p at 30 frames per second on both of the cameras here, just to compare them truly to see how they stack up against each other. I've got a little bit of side-by-side footage to actually show you the differences, then I'm going to have some full screen shots to show you the Hero 1 and the Hero 6, and I will also leave some audio from the Hero 1 and the Hero 6 just so you can see how they go in the exact same environment. I didn't really have any talking to camera shots, it will basically just be to show you how well it cuts out wind, and maybe if we've been talking a little bit here and there, but nothing too extensive, just a basic audio test when you're out and about in the environment.
Come on up, boy. Come on up, boy.
And then I guess the true thing is to see how the video quality compares. So I noticed with the Hero 1 it's a lot more flat, you don't get as much sharpness in the image, and then the Hero 6 is a very sharp image. There's a lot to play around with when it comes to post-production. Both of the cameras we just left 1080p 30 frames per second, and they are unedited. The footage has not been touched at all, I've just put them side by side. So this is kind of just how they actually come out of the box and how they would film just on a usual kind of day. And then when it comes to post-production, the Hero 1, you don't have as much room because the image isn't as sharp. You get a little bit of graininess in the footage. It's also quite a flat color as well, there's not really too much to play around with. On the Hero 6 end, you've got a lot more kind of detail in the image and you can play around with the image a lot more. Anyway, enjoy the video and let me know what you think in the comments below. It's quite amazing to see how far they have advanced. I'd love to know your opinions on the GoPro's evolution. Let me know what action camera you have. And that's it guys, make sure to have a splendid day and peace out!